Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Logitech G Astro A50 X headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair your headphones with your mobile application. At first we have to open this mobile application and wait a moment. Now we have to click yes, grant permission and permissions. Here we have to tap on our devices, allow and location, or allow only while using the app. Now if we go back, our app will scan for our device, so we have to just wait a moment. Here, as you can see, one device found. Pardon me, we have to do the same action another time. And now we have to tap on our headphones. Now we have to press the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. As you can see, I have some pairing problems, and it occurs, it is common to have pairing problems. Now we are connecting. Now we are connected. If we click next, we can rename our device in our application, then save. Now we can click no thanks or yes please if we agree, and now we can click skip. Here, as you can see, PC mode is active. Please use G-Hub to configure your headset or switch modes to control from the mobile app. Now we have to switch to the another mode, for example Xbox or PC. We can click close. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.